it's Alyssa from Online Fabric Store. Here's a super easy way to make pillowcases that are not only beautiful, but only take about 20 minutes to make. I'm making mine out of Charmeuse, so it's not abrasive on my hair and my skin. So let's get started.
The materials you will need are scissors or a rotary cutter and mat, fabric for the body, trim, and top band. I'm using Charmeuse, a ruler, thread, pins or clips, an iron, and a sewing machine. I'm making this pillowcase for a standard bed pillow, which is usually 20 by 28 inches. The finished product will be about 22 by 33 inches. You'll need 3 pieces of fabric for this pillowcase, 1 for the main body, 1 for the trim, and 1 for the top border. The width of each piece should be about 44 inches. For the height, I'm cutting 10 inches for the border, 2.5 inches for the trim, and 28 inches for the main piece. Add 4 inches for a queen size and 8 inches for a king-sized pillow. The trim and top border pieces are the same for all 3 sizes. Fold the trim in half lengthwise with wrong sides facing and iron. Sandwich the trim between the top border and main body pieces. Make sure the raw edges are lined up and the right sides are facing. Roll the bottom of the main body piece up until it's about 2 inches from the top. Fold the other side of the border up so that the edges line up and the main body is encased inside of the border piece. Pin in place and sew with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Pull out the main fabric through one of the open sides. Fold in half with wrong sides facing and pin. Make sure the trim is lined up on both sides. Sew along the open side and bottom with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Cut the seams down to about 1/8 of an inch and clip the corners. Turn the pillowcase wrong side out. Sew the side and the bottom again with a 1/4 inch seam allowance. This creates a French seam which hides the raw edges of the fabric. Finally, turn your pillowcase right side out.
And now your pillowcase is complete. Thanks for watching this OFS project. Like and subscribe to our channel for more crafting videos, tips, and tricks. See you next time.